Hello and welcome to our series on Windows 11. And if you are first booting up Windows 11, you may notice that things look a little bit different than what you may be used to in Windows 10 or Windows 7. And visually things have changed. However, ultimately everything has virtually stayed the same. But you will notice the interfaces have changed a little bit. For instance, you no longer have the My Computer if you're remembering from Windows 7 or Windows XP even. That's no longer there, and you have been upgraded to a new taskbar down at the bottom. There is no longer a Start option. Instead, you have the little Windows icon right here that is now your Start. If you click that, then you come up with this, which will give you a rundown of all the different stuff that's on your computer. You can then go to All Apps, which is the same thing as going to Start and All Programs, which Programs has been renamed to Apps. And then you can scroll down through here and everything is in alphabetical order, just like it was previously. That is a going trend with Windows 11. Things that you may have been accustomed to in Windows 10 are still there. They've just been tweaked or renamed or moved to a different location. For instance, if you would like to go to your file browser, you still have the File Explorer here. You can open that up just like you could in Windows 10. And also in Windows 10, you still have your file structure set off to the side right here as well. Now, something that has changed is the search bar, which is right here, little search icon. You can type in whatever you want here. And for example, I'm going to go ahead and type in File Options, and I'm going to bring this up because this is yet another change that is inside of here. So there's a box right here that I have selected that says decrease space between items, and this is by default turned off. So whenever you open up Windows 11 for the first time, you may notice that there is large gaps in between your files. And this is to make it easier for touch screens and things like that to access files and folders and those things, so you don't select different files that you don't really need. However, if you're using this on a computer, workstation, desktop, then you may want to actually go into the File Explorer options and decrease the space between files. So as I select that on and off, you can see that that has changed. One thing that you're going to want to change is the themes, and you can go down to personalize right here. So all I did is I right clicked and I went to personalize, and Windows 11 comes with lots of different pre-rendered themes. So there's a bunch of themes that you can pick from. A light theme, a dark theme, different images, things like that. And it's all pre-rendered, so you can just select which ones you want. And if you don't have any here that fit your fancy, you can actually go to Browse Themes, and that will bring up the Microsoft Store where you can look for other themes as well. For some reason, it's not working right there. I just loaded up a few minutes ago and it did work. But anyway, you can have different themes like that. That's pretty much all the stuff that has changed. Basically, Windows 11 is Windows 10 with a different kind of layout. And I can honestly say that I made a video previously where I went into all the different things that make Windows 11 different than Windows 10, the drawbacks and stuff like that. And my opinions on that still basically stay the same, where I think that Windows 11 is way more demanding than it needs to be compared to Windows 10, where Windows 10 didn't require a whole lot of specs. Windows 11 does. But basically all my other critiques have already been addressed. Microsoft really seems to be wanting to push Windows 11, and they are going in and fixing all the things that people are having problems with. For instance, the distance between the files, that has been fixed. I don't think I was the only one complained about that. They've released a patch that I showed you, fixes that. They've released several other things that have improved the quality of life on Windows 11. And if they continue to do that, I think that this is on track to be a really great operating system. Okay, so that's it. This is the first video in our introduction to Windows 11. If you all like this, please go ahead, consider subscribing to the channel. And until next time, thank you all. Have a great rest of your day. Hi, I'm Kyle, owner and operator of Great Technical. Thank you all so much for making it at this point in the video. And if you are here, go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot, and it lets me know that the content I'm making is stuff that you all like to see. Go ahead, leave us a comment as well. Let me know if there's anything that you would like to see in the future, or if you have any future updates that you would like to have included in our products in the future. I would also like to say that being a company owner, I am very proud to be able to support businesses and students. I am also extremely proud to be able to support content creators. So if you have a content platform, you make videos, or if you have a blog and you would like to reuse some of our content, or if you would like to review some of our products, go ahead and send me an email. My email is right here, support@greattechnical.com. Get in contact with me. We can see what we can get worked out. And until next time, thank you all very much. Have a great rest of your day.